Let's check out this baseball field. You said there were wires? What is this, a batting cage? Oh, there's no going in there. That's got a net around it. Alright. It's a bullpen. This place is no fun. You can't go in anything. This shit's on lockdown.
Talk about checking out a local park with Gardo Rotor. One fail-safe and 250 steps later, but still smiling.
What the? Okay. Interesting. The pavilion's neat.
Yeah.
Oh. Wind took me. It lights up in here.
What do you mean? Lights up and where?
In the pavilion.
Oh, yeah?
Can we make it to the cemetery? Let's see.
Oh, God, be careful. You better turn that way. Want me to turn you? You got it?
Am I?
Now you are.
Oh yeah, we're in the cemetery. No problem. Perfect
Really?
picture, yeah.
You suck. I'll have to go over there now. Damn it, get out of my cemetery.
Get out of my cemetery.
Taking my ideas. Couldn't fly my last cemetery to the front kid had to die like a 9. Dang it. Sad.
Split S tree. I don't want to go get it.
Us.
Okay,
Yeah, don't split us over there.
I got it.
You don't want to go get it.
I got her. Oh, this thing does beautifully. I forget this is an 04 Pro, so it's like
04 Pro.
you get real good picture,
Yeah.
and
A lot of kids over by that. I almost hit the damn tree coming back. I was a little
really,
discombobulated, and then I was like, whoa.
okay, who's got the music?
The guys behind us with the golf thing.
Okay.
They are like right behind us.
Oh. We're gonna hit the. Okay.
Funny.
Oh, I see him.
I'm trying to figure out this game.
And that's my bat. Oh, we gotta go over the water because I.
Yeah,
Feel
just
like I
careful
didn't.
because you guys are right behind you.
Yeah. Okay. We did it in the last battery.
What?
I see him. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
They heard it. They looked up.
They're playing like techno or something.
Yeah.
Over to our beautiful vehicle. All right.
That was a good landing. Except the road.
Around the world. Kim's first failsafe of the year, 2025. She's gonna get beamed in the head by this guy with the frisbee golf. Honestly, I don't know if she has it or what. Let's see. Is there a drone in her hand? I don't think so.